Aguado and I'm the dog dad of Emong. So, si Emong, parang, kasi we have a small coffee shop in Maginhawa. Tapos, it was September last year, meron kaming parang garden area doon. Yun lang, overnight, nag-stay siya doon, sumilong siya. And then may collar si Emong that time. So we were thinking na baka he belong to someone else. So siguro mga after 1 week na realize namin na baka wala na kumuha sa kanya. So we started, talaga bumili na kami ng kainan niya, ng lalagyan ng water. And then, yun, parang inadapt na namin siya dun sa compound namin. Sa umaga, may morning walk yan. Kaya yung mga guards namin, sasabihin, nasa na si Emong? Ay, di chef, namamasyal yan. Ikot-ikot muna. Rumoronda, then siguro mga around 11 o'clock, babalik yan. Then, yun na, kakain na siya. Natatawa ako dun sa mga tao na nagsiselebrate na may cakes pa sa dogs, ganyan. Then eventually, nung birthday nung yung una kong dog na gift sa akin, sabi ko, shucks, parang kailangan ko siya i-celebrate. So yeah, so doon ko na-realize na yung tinatawanan ko dati, ako na yun. May ano na kami, may party hat pa yung dog, tapos may cake pa. So I think it's important then to celebrate yung mga ganong milestones sa buhay nila. Kasi syempre, maikli lang buhay ng dog. So like every year, you have to celebrate. To all the dog dads out there, happy Father's Day. So if you're lucky enough to be chosen ng mga dogs, savor the moment. Every minute, every second with them is very, very precious. So if you're given an opportunity to own and to care for one of these little puppies, do it. And celebrate every moment you have with them. Kasi sobrang ma-appreciate nila yon.